Number 1. EGO Power LP6504. When it comes to cordless leaf blowers, the EGO Power LP6504 stands out from the competition. This blower packs a powerful punch with airspeed reaching 180 miles per hour on turbo mode, thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor. But what really sets this leaf blower apart is its impressive runtime. You can expect up to 90 minutes of average use on a single charge, making yard work a breeze. The variable speed dial provides ultimate control, allowing you to adjust the airflow from 225 CFM to 470 CFM with ease. The lock-on button is a handy feature that lets you keep the airspeed consistent, so you can focus on getting the job done. And with the turbo button, you can unleash a whopping 650 CFM, making quick work of any debris in your path. The included 56 volts, 5.0 amp hours ARC lithium battery ensures long-lasting power so you can tackle your outdoor tasks without any interruptions. Plus, the tapered nozzle attachment helps to concentrate the airflow so you can target specific areas with precision. The LP6504 is not just a leaf blower, it's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their yard maintenance routine. While the runtime on turbo mode may seem short, you'll find that typical yard work doesn't require constant use of this setting. By utilizing the variable speed dial and trigger wisely, you can extend the runtime significantly. So, if you're in the market for the best cordless leaf blower that combines power, efficiency, and convenience, the EGO Power plus LP6504 is the one to beat. Check it out for yourself and experience the difference. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best cordless leaf blowers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which cordless leaf blower you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.